Beach pad alert. This adorable and meticulously maintained first floor and unit is located right across A1a to the beach, offering a bright and split/open floor plan. Solid oakwood cabinetry, gorgeous quartz countertops and a pantry in the kitchen. Newer appliances. Laminate and tile flooring throughout, carpet in master only. Laundry inside the unit. Motorized shutters for all windows and sliders. Fully tiled and updated walk-in showers. The master boasts 2 closets, one is a huge walk-in. Amazing balcony to enjoy outdoor space and the salty breeze. A detached 1-car garage and plenty of open parking. Amenities include a heated pool, great clubhouse and tennis court. Walking distance to shopping and restaurants. Hurry, this one won't last long at all.